Hi all, welcome back to Tech Library. Today we are going straight into a practical piece for iPhone users. You may have had a question in one corner of your mind. How do I know my location history on my iPhone? Well, you surely should stick with us for that. To start with, use the passcode to return your iPhone on and tap the Settings icon. Once again, scroll a bit lower and tap on Privacy. This is where all the options connected to your location are situated. Within Privacy, one selects Location Services. This section determines how the applications use the location data. Scroll to the bottom of the choices and you will find an item labelled as Ansisu System Services. Click on it. Here you have Significant Locations. Tap on it to see the history of your iPhone. For users to get their location history, they will have to provide identification using the Face ID, Touch ID, or even the passcode. After identification, you get the list of visited places divided by the date of visit. If you tap on the option, you get to see more details about the place. Here, precise hours are shown when you were at that place, or even can get directions if required. And that's how you check your location history on an iPhone. Remember, your iPhone retains this data, but keeps it safe and secure. If you enjoyed this video, kindly consider subscribing to Tech Library for more helpful videos about technology.